of me is OnePlus Nord CE to LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. After that, you need to tap on Bluetooth section and click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on. Then wait for available devices to show and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. To continue, select pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little icon next to paired device and tapping on Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!